These car modification videos are exploding across Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok right now. Just look at this Instagram page. It has already gained over 102,000 followers simply by posting this exact style of content. Their biggest videos have reached 17.8 million, 7.4 million, and 1.8 million views. The best part? These videos were created without filming a real car, without owning a garage, and without any professional editing experience. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe so you never miss future tutorials. First, open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Give me 10 engaging car names, also including big brands like Rolls-Royce, BMW, and Audi, etc. Press enter and ChatGPT will instantly generate a list of amazing cars to choose from. Next, open the link in the description and copy my complete master prompt from beginning to end. Now open Google Flow, switch to video mode, select the Omni Flash model, and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Paste the master prompt into Google Flow. Go back to ChatGPT and choose the car name that has the most dramatic and eye-catching appearance. Copy the car name and paste it into the vehicle section of the prompt. Here's a simple trick that makes a huge difference. Before the car name, add the color you want the vehicle to be. For example, silver black. This small change makes the transformation sequence look far more cinematic, premium, and visually appealing. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Within moments, your AI-powered car modification video will be ready to share on social media. Here's another example I created using the exact same workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.